Looking to make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun? These clever Temu kitchen finds are designed to chop, mix, store, and simplify your life with zero hassle. From prep to cleanup, they handle the hard work so you don't have to. All the links are in the description below. Tired of wrestling with a slippery colander in the sink? This adjustable clip-on strainer turns any pot or bowl into a draining powerhouse. Just clip it on and pour. Water goes out while your pasta, veggies, or fruit stay put. Its flexible design fits multiple sizes, so you're never stuck with the wrong tool. Durable and easy to clean, it's perfect for home or even RV kitchens. No electricity, no hassle, just simple, clever draining. Baking mooncakes has never been this simple. This easy press mooncake maker lets you shape perfect treats in seconds. Just fill, press, and release. No sticking, no mess. The adjustable divider handles different filling sizes, so each cake is just how you like it. Great for peach crisp, mung bean, or any filling you love. Compact and easy to clean, it's a fun tool for celebrating any special occasion. Keep your food fresh and protected without any fuss. This multi-layer plastic cover and storage box shields meals from dust, mosquitoes, and spills. Transparent design lets you see what's inside at a glance, making it easy to grab what you need. Stack multiple layers to save space in the fridge or on the counter. Perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or organized snacks, it keeps your kitchen neat and your food safe. Say goodbye to stuck-on messes with this heavy-duty silicone scraper. It slides easily over pots, pans, and cooktops, lifting residue without scratching surfaces. Heat-resistant and safe for non-stick cookware, it handles anything from sticky sauces to baked-on cheese. The flexible design lets you reach every corner, making cleanup a breeze. Durable, safe, and simple to use, it's your go-to tool for keeping kitchens spotless. Turn snack time into a little showpiece with this double rotating candy and snack tray. Each layer spins independently, giving easy access to candy, nuts, dried fruits, or fresh veggies. The flower-shaped design adds a fun, decorative touch to any table. A clear lid keeps everything fresh while showing off your colorful treats. Perfect for home, parties, weddings, or just making your table look a little extra special. Make dish drying simple and organized with this double-layer metal rack. Two spacious shelves hold plates, bowls, and cups, while hooks keep utensils within easy reach. The included drainage tray catches water, keeping your countertop dry. Rust-resistant and heavy-duty, it's built to last even in busy kitchens. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for small kitchens that need big organization. Bring the movie theater home with this mini popcorn machine. It pops fluffy popcorn in just 2 minutes. No oil needed, so it's healthier and mess-free. The 3.5 quart capacity makes enough for movie nights, parties, or snacks anytime. BPA-free and safe to use, it's plug and play for instant fun. Compact and easy to store, you'll have fresh, warm popcorn ready whenever cravings strike. Cutting fries just got effortless with this electric French fry cutter. Simply feed potatoes or other vegetables into the chute, and the stainless steel blades do the work for you. 3 blade options let you choose different sizes for fries or veggie sticks. It's fast, clean, and keeps your hands safe from sharp edges. Perfect for home cooking, parties, or snack prep. It turns any kitchen into a fry station. Make cherry prep quick and mess-free with this handy cherry pitter. Just press and the pit pops out, leaving the fruit intact and ready to eat or cook. durable plastic design is easy to clean and gentle on your hands. It saves you time when making pies, jams, or snacks. Sleek and simple, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in your kitchen prep. Keep breakfast and snacks organized with this dual-control grain dispenser. Two easy-to-use levers let you pour just the right amount of cereal, nuts, rice, or granola every time. The large capacity means fewer refills, perfect for busy mornings or parties. Clear design shows exactly what's inside, so you're never guessing. Ideal for holidays, everyday use, or anytime you want a neat, mess-free kitchen setup. Cooking feels a lot easier when you're in control. This upgraded glass oil dispenser lets you brush, drizzle, or coat your food without making a mess. The built-in silicone brush spreads oil evenly, so you use just the right amount every time. A wide mouth opening makes it simple for you to refill and clean. Great for cooking, baking, frying, or even storing your favorite blends. Here's a fun little gadget that makes corn prep actually satisfying. This bright yellow peeler glides down a cob and lifts the kernels cleanly in one smooth motion. The stainless steel edge does the hard work while you just push and watch the kernels fall. It's lightweight, easy for you to hold, and simple to rinse afterward. Perfect for quick salads, soups, grilling days, or any time you want fresh kernels without the struggle. If you love cooking, this little tower feels like a secret weapon. It spins smoothly so you can reach your spices with just a quick turn. Each jar keeps your seasonings fresh and easy for you to grab while you cook. Reusable labels and a small funnel help you refill everything without spilling. It sits neatly on your counter or in your cabinet, turning messy spice chaos into clean, simple order. Get ready to meet your snack's best friend. This rotating snack tray spins, so you grab what you want with a quick turn. No rummaging needed. 5 compartments keep nuts, dried fruit, veggies, or candies sorted and visible all at once. The tight lid locks in freshness, so snacks stay crisp and tasty. It's perfect for parties, movie nights, or everyday munching at home. Some days you just want your drink to mix itself. This automatic cup uses a tiny magnetic spinner that blends your coffee, cocoa, or protein mix with one tap. No spoons, no shaking. You just press the button and watch it whirl. The large capacity gives you plenty to sip, and the battery-powered design makes it easy to take anywhere. Perfect for busy mornings, late-night cravings, or anytime you want a smooth drink without effort. Here's a little kitchen tool that instantly brightens your baking mood. This heart-shaped measuring spoon set makes scooping sugar, flour, or spices feel fun and easy. Each spoon gives you the right amount so your recipes turn out just the way you want. They're lightweight, simple to clean, and safe for the dishwasher. Great for baking days, egg separating, or as a cute gift for anyone who loves to cook. Garlic prep doesn't have to be a battle. This silicone roller lets you peel cloves with a quick press and roll. No sticky fingers and no strong smell left on your hands. You just drop the garlic in, roll it, and the skin slides right off. It's soft, easy to rinse, and simple for you to store in any drawer. A tiny tool that makes meal prep faster and way less messy. Here's a little burst of fun for your kitchen. This fries-shaped clip keeps your snack bag sealed tight so chips stay crisp and cookies stay fresh. The magnetic back lets you stick it on your fridge, making it easy for you to grab whenever you need it. It's moisture-proof, simple to clean, and safe for the dishwasher. A playful, easy grip tool that adds a smile every time you reach for a snack. Cutting small fruits and veggies doesn't have to be tricky. This clever holder grips your lemon, tomato, or even a hard-boiled egg so you get clean, even slices every time. You just place your food inside, guide your knife through the slots, and you're done. No slipping, no squishing, and no power needed. It's a simple tool that makes prep quicker, safer, and a whole lot easier for you. Breakfast just got a little more organized. This egg holder keeps your hard or soft-boiled eggs secure so you can serve them neatly without them rolling around. Made from food-grade plastic, it's safe, easy to clean, and gentle on your eggshells. Perfect for family breakfasts, brunches, or even holiday table decorations. A simple kitchen helper that keeps your eggs in place and your mornings stress-free. Trimming peppers and tomatoes just got smarter. This seed extractor lets you hollow them out in seconds, thanks to a sharp interior edge that removes seeds without destroying the flesh. You hold it, twist gently, and see the seeds fall away. No mess, no fuss. Its durable design sits easy in your hand and washes clean in a moment. A handy little tool that makes cooking prep faster and keeps vegetables ready for stuffing, roasting, or slicing. Want perfectly shaped breakfasts without the fuss? These non-stick egg rings give you round, even eggs or pancakes every time you cook. Just place a ring on the pan and pour your batter or egg. It stays in shape as it cooks. Silicone handles make them easy to grab without burning your fingers. Cleanup's quick since everything peels off the non-stick surface. Great for neat, delicious meals any morning you like. Throw out the chopping board, shredding meat just got easier. This handheld meat shredder grips chicken, beef, or veggies and shreds them fast with a few pulls. The non-slip base and transparent cover keep everything steady and mess-free while you work. No batteries, no fuss, just simple, smart shredding by hand. Perfect for soups, salads, tacos, or anytime you need shredded food without the hassle. Peeling and grating just got a whole lot easier for you. This 3-piece peeler and grater set handles potatoes, carrots, and veggies with zero fuss. One tool does it all. You simply run it over your produce to peel or grate and get smooth slices or fine shreds without effort. Its handy design fits right in your hand and cleans up quickly. A must-have for cooking up veggies fast and stress-free. Here's a clever fix for a greasy stove gap that you didn't know you needed. These expandable stove seam covers stretch to fill the space between burners, so crumbs, spills, and water don't drop through. They're heat-resistant, easy to wipe clean, and slide right into place without tools. Once installed, your stove stays neat and cooking becomes way less messy. A subtle upgrade that keeps your kitchen cleaner with minimal effort. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.